Children, in the last class we did the poem Pollution, that is poem number 4 from your reader book. Today we will be doing the comprehension exercise of the same poem. It's a very small exercise that is given for you, just two questions having a few parts, easy ones. We will be only doing this thing today, and this is the last class that you're having before your PT2 exam. So whatever doubts you have about any chapter, you can please ask me in the upcoming classes. I'll be available for all of you. Let's do it now. Okay. Choose the correct options to answer the following questions. Children, we read about in this poem that the poet is asking all of us to take charge and wake up, and to curb the pollution and be green, be safe, uh, you know, be a more dearer person to the earth. So let's do the questions now. Who is the poet speaking to? He's speaking to one human being. Sorry, he's speaking to the world. क्या हमने पढ़ा था? Earthlings. वो Earthlings से बात कर रहे हैं. Earthlings कौन है? People living on Earth. So he's talking to each and everyone who's living on Earth. Okay, to the world. He's talking to the world. What is the cause of the tear in the ozone layer? Pollution. What kind of gases are being produced? Poisonous. Children, poisonous को हम टॉक्सिक भी कहते हैं. TOXIC. टॉक्सिक का मतलब होता है पॉइजनस, जो किसी को हार्म पहुंचा सकता है उसको हम टॉक्सिक कहते हैं. जनरली toxic can be used many ways. For example, sometimes we say toxic people. Who are toxic people? Toxic people are those who don't want your good. Okay, those are toxic people. So toxic can be used many ways. All right, toxic means poisonous or which can cause harm to someone. और बेसिक जो लिटरल मीनिंग है टॉक्सिक का वो होता है विथ अ लॉट ऑफ केमिकल्स, जिसमें कि बहुत सारे केमिकल्स होते हैं, उसको हम टॉक्सिक कहते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट पेज. What will happen to the earth if we keep on polluting it? It will become green and full of flowers? No. It will become desolate and bare? Yes. It will become clean? Not at all. It will become good for us to live in. It is already bad, children. So we should take care of the earth now, as if we keep polluting it, it will become desolate and bare. Answer the following questions briefly. Who can help in decreasing pollution? Trees can help in decreasing pollution, and few measures that human beings can take that can stop pollution, like stop using the plastic, stop draining the toxic waste in rivers and water bodies, stop producing toxic gases and letting them be in the air. Many things we can do to stop pollution. All right, second question. What are the effects of pollution? Children, we all know global warming is happening, and that is a effect of pollution. Ozone layer has a hole now, though it has been filled up now. जब से कोरोना वायरस आया है, पेंडेमिक हुआ है, लॉकडाउन्स हुए हैं फ्रॉम लास्ट पास्ट 1 year नाउ, तब से वो ओजोन लेयर में जो होल था वो थोड़ा बहुत भरा भी है, बिकॉज हमने पोल्यूशन नहीं किया पिछले 1 साल में उतना ज़्यादा जितना हम जनरली किया करते थे. So that is why we should take care of the earth. And what are the effects of pollution? Pollution का effect ये है कि ओजोन लेयर में छेद हो गया है. Okay, then global warming is there. Unpredictable weather conditions have come. Okay, like that. Question number 3. What can be done to decrease pollution? Like I just told you, फर्स्ट और थर्ड क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन ये सेम ही है. इसमें आपको पूछा है कि कैसे पोल्यूशन कम हो सकता है, इसमें भी यही पूछा है कि पोल्यूशन कैसे कम हो सकता है. सो यू कैन राइट सेम आंसर्स फॉर बोथ द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे चिल्ड्रन. इतना ही आज हम करेंगे. एंड इफ एनी डाउट्स यू हैव, you can please ask me about your PT2 exam. Syllabus has already been given to you now. For orals, I will be telling you your syllabus on a group, so don't be bothered about it. I will be doing it today only. And that's it for today, children. Thank you so much.